5 Heavy, run this here, 1995, cleared for takeoff.
Departure is 1995 departure.
American 11, are you trying to call?
The cockpit is not answering their phone.
I am monitoring a call in which Flight 11, the flight attendant is advising our reps that the pilot, everyone's been stabbed. They can't get into the cockpit is what I'm hearing.
Okay,
What's going on, Betty? Betty, talk to me. Betty, are you there?
The plane just What? The 737?
It what?
The World Trade Center. Who are you talking to?
United 175, New York. We have some problems over here right now. We might have a hijack over here, two of them.
Hi, Jack. I'm on the plane. I'm calling from the plane. I want to tell you I love you. Please tell my children that I love them very much. And I'm so sorry, babe. I hope to be able to see your face again, baby. I love you.
Angle before, but not from this angle.
Somebody call, please.
Another one just hit the building. Wow. Wow, another one hit it hard. Another one just hit the World Trade. The whole building just came apart.
It's exploding right now. You got people running up the street. Everybody's panicking.
Today we've had a national tragedy. Two airplanes have crashed into the World Trade Center in an apparent terrorist attack on our country.
Pentagon just got hit. Show for CNN.
Explosion of some kind here at the Pentagon.
That aircraft is down. Looks like that aircraft crashed into the Pentagon, sir. Started with a gigantic rumble.
I'm on the 83rd now. I'm gonna die, aren't I? No. I'm gonna die.
First pictures we have in, this is from Somerset County, Pennsylvania. This is United Airlines 93. This was a Boeing 757 bound from Newark, New Jersey to San Francisco. It crashed in Somerset County.
And there, as you can see, perhaps the second tower, the front tower, the top portion of which is collapsing.
Of lives.
It's put in ash.
They've been extinguished.
We're moving some people, be advised, moving some people to, we're setting up an ad hoc emergency post. We didn't get back personnel, okay? We could use more people because the place is filling up with agents.